Hi, welcome to this short video to explain the SCA support for affiliated clubs. Clubs are at the heart of the SCA and of paddling in Scotland, and we provide a wide range of support to help clubs deliver their activities and progress. There are over 5,500 members of affiliated clubs. Support to clubs is arranged in three broad areas. There are 90 affiliated clubs in Scotland, and all clubs have access to a range of benefits of affiliation. These include civil liability and employers' liability insurance, through to Coach Finder on the website, and subsidised and free training and conferences, and a wide range of other information. This list is available on the SCA website. The Sport Scotland Working Together framework was launched in autumn 2017, and this is a generic, non-sport specific framework for club and community organisations focused on 6 key themes of people, places, profile, organised, sustainable and connected, and it's a great resource for clubs wishing to identify areas of development. However, we also recognise that there is a need for further guidance more specific to paddle sport and the needs of our diverse clubs. Therefore, we've launched Well-Run Clubs, an optional framework to support paddle sport clubs wishing to develop. Well-Run Clubs is split into 6 key themes: organisation and governance, people and workforce, places and equipment, communication, partners and pathways. And we believe that all 6 aspects need to be in place for a well-run club. In order to implement the Well-Run Clubs framework, we encourage the use of the Plan, Do, Review model, and further details of how to use this model and planning tool is available within the framework itself. If we take a look at one of the examples, one of the themes of places and equipment, we have 5 statements on the page of this framework. We encourage the club to read the statement, reflect on its current performance against the statement, and identify any actions that result from this. So for example, statement 3, have a health and safety policy document as well as standard operating procedures and risk assessments for regularly used venues. The link provides access to further information and templates, and we encourage the club to reflect and decide whether it already has these things in place or some action is required to refer to templates and perhaps introduce some policies or documents and make them real life. On each of the areas we also have some case studies to real life examples in Scotland. For example, Edinburgh Kayak Club securing funding and building a boat shed. To support the implementation of the Well-Run Clubs framework, we've also produced a short review and monitoring tool. This isn't necessarily an assessment tool or give you a score at the end, but it is a way for clubs to review each of the statements in the Well-Run Clubs framework and provide a red, amber, green highlighting rating, and then identify the actions and the priorities for those actions. Clubs can tackle one section at a time. They're not expected to do all 6 areas all in one go, but it can be used as a piecemeal planning tool. In addition to Well-Run Clubs, the SCA also operates the Club Impact Programme, which is an intensive and collaborative development programme for clubs who are committed to ambitious growth or accelerated progression. And there are some key expected outcomes from this, and the SCA, through its Regional Development Manager and Coach and Pathway Developer, will support clubs in working towards these outcomes. This programme will support between 12 and 16 clubs and evolve from the current and previous Focus Club programme. If your club's interested, please get in touch. Summarising, we've got 3 areas of support: club affiliation and the wide range of benefits open to all affiliated clubs, the Well-Run Clubs as an optional framework for clubs who wish to help and progress, and the Club Impact Programme is an intensive and collaborative project to support between 12 and 16 clubs. Thanks for listening.